And say it ain't clean around here. What do you think this is? The city dog?
If Lord, we get with 9 9 9 F 9 9 9 G 9 9 X 5 X skip back cat kip you which gish edge 90 12 9 0 quads or 30 9 3 9 3 9.
This was Short Adavaman. Now this is Gaston Network. From Morpeth, we hate to say this, but we have interrupted normal programming again to bring you the important news flash from IT. It has been declared today, recently, the lunar eclipse has been exploded into a pile of flames everywhere across the United States. According to BBC News, the explosion of the lunar eclipse was happened at 4:30 p.m. EST, or 8:21 p.m. BST, so we're sorry for the cooperation during these dramatic events. However, normal programming will now be altered for the time being. As of this, BSO and BBC2, ITV, Rose Summer, Jeremy W, Bella Smith & Co, and Gaston Network have been interrupted too. Not only that, how about I raised all the good outdoors into charity, and they don't believe it at all. We now be interrupted to the news. Please stay tuned to Gaston News for local events. You're watching Gaston Network. Now we're on to the news.